Well, I'll give it a second just to help early birds hang out. So, time to test out a fuse, hound dog. I guess you're the only one of us who wakes up and goes to work at an early hour. Well, I guess that can still watch something. Alright. Well, this is for anybody later on anyway. This is just testing out. I got a couple switches to flip over here. 1, 2, 3. But we just testing out a fuse I replaced. So we'll see what it can do. Well, shoot, man, I haven't been up for an hour. What's wrong with you? Alright. Nah, it was tough getting out of bed this morning. Alright, here's the test. Whoever's watching, y'all can feel free to hang out and see what's going on. Here we go. Right. Excuse me, not a failure. That was a success, not a failure. So doing what I needed to do. There's my little test. So, kind of all y'all get for this morning. Whoever missed it, I apologize, but y'all can always go back and watch it later. I still got to check a few more things on here, make sure I'm where I need to be. But overall, we had a success this morning. Morning. Alright, well, I got some more work to do. I may share it if I get something that's share worthy, but the rest of it's going to be a bunch of busy work that I'm going to be getting stuff prepped. So we'll see how this all works out. Catch y'all guys later.